Hey, it's Jason at Fireplace Blowers. We've got a new kit I wanted to briefly talk to you about. This is a new Pacific Energy offering we've got. This is the ENCD.BLOW kit. You're going to find this in your Esteem and Estate model fireplaces, specifically on the Esteem, the Series C models, and on the Estate models, I believe it's the Series H. So there could be some other series that I'm overlooking, so you're just going to want to make sure. Please consult with your owner's manual before purchasing or call us. A couple things to highlight: dual centrifugal ball bearing blower, so really nice. You'll actually see that the actual bearings here are sleeved or capped, as we refer to them. Actually helps prevent dust intrusion, so that's kind of a nice feature on these guys, even though these are direct vent gas fireplaces. What else we got? So this is kind of the integrated speed control and temperature sensor module. You can actually see on the opposite side of the housing is the integrated temperature sensor. And this works one of two ways. You'll see a toggle switch. You can either operate this in manual or auto mode. So in manual mode, I can actually turn the speed controller on and the blower is going to run. So I actually have this plugged in, so if I can do this while holding the phone. So you'll see in the manual mode, blower just turns on. So very nicely balanced, quiet ball bearing blower assembly. And it's in high, and we can dial that down. Likewise, here, let's actually turn that blower all the way up. Turn it off. And if we flick that to the auto, that's actually not going to run. The blower won't run until we actually heat it up. So I'm going to take the heat gun. See if I've applied enough heat there. And just need a little more heat. Let's just put a naked kitten. So, if you got any questions on the kits, let us know. We can be reached at support@fireplaceblowersonline.com if you prefer to get in touch with us through email, or you can call us directly at 262-989-4882. Again, this is the ENCD.BLOW kit for the Pacific Energy direct vent gas fireplaces. Thanks again.